our solar system, in the Milky Way. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury is so small that it is smaller than the moons Ganymede and Titan, but more than twice as massive. It orbits the Sun so fast, a year on Mercury is only 88 days. It orbits the Sun at a distance of 58 million kilometers, and a day on Mercury is only 58 Earth days. The temperature here on Mercury is very, very hot during the day at 800 degrees Fahrenheit or 426 degrees Celsius, while at the night the temperature plunges all the way down to negative 280 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 173 degrees Celsius. That's colder than Antarctica. Venus, the second closest planet to the Sun. It is about the same size as Earth. A day on Venus is about 116 Earth days. A year, though, is 225 days. Venus is also the brightest object in the sky. The temperature on Venus is at its minimum 816 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 437 degrees Celsius, and at its maximum 926 degrees Fahrenheit, or 497 degrees Celsius. It is hotter than Mercury because of its out-of-control greenhouse effect, which is caused because of its thick atmosphere, which traps heat inside of its very thick atmosphere. The Earth is your home and is the only planet that is known to sustain life. The Earth is 150 kilometers away from our Sun, and a day on Earth is 24 hours, and a year is 365 days. And Earth also has its own moon, called, the moon. On Earth, the temperature is at its minimum negative 128 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 89 degrees Celsius, and at maximum is 134 degrees Fahrenheit or 58 degrees Celsius. This temperature is the only temperature that allows liquid water. The moon is Earth's only moon and orbits Earth every 27 days, and its distance to Earth is 238,900 miles. The temperature on the moon during the bright days, which there are 13.5 days, is 253 degrees Fahrenheit or 123 degrees Celsius. During the dark days, which there are also 13.5 days, negative 243 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 153 degrees Celsius. Mars, also known as the Red Planet, is our fourth planet, and its length of day is 1 day and 40 minutes. And its orbital period, or a year on it, is 687 days. And its radius is 2,106 miles, and its distance from the Sun is 141.6 million miles. Mars also has two small moons named Phobos and Deimos. Phobos and Deimos, the moons of Mars, are so small, they're almost as small as some of the world's smallest countries, such as Malta or Luxembourg. On Mars, the temperature during the winter is negative 195 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 125 degrees Celsius. But during the summer, it's a nice 82 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 degrees Celsius.